And as you all know, I use these U-Haul trailers all the time. And I'm always ranting and raving about how good they are. They tow everything. The 60 caddy wagon conversion, that thing fit on it, no problem. Tracked awesome. It was like a 5 or 6 hour ride or something like that. That towed awesome. Everything that I've had is towed awesome on these things. But one of the things that I've never mentioned is the way the tongues are designed on these. They're so long that it makes it track well, but also you can jackknife these things. Like when you're trying to get these things into a tight spot, like I jammed it in last night so I had room to get out with my other car here, but I could have gone way further. But you can do almost a full, or actually probably a full 90 degrees from the truck to the trailer. So if you're looking straight across the truck, it's almost straight as it is, and I still have plenty of room to go. So just one of the many things that are awesome about these. And even, you know, even where the front tire of the car is going to hit, you still have all that room. So I mean, unless you have some 70s Eldorado or something crazy, you ain't gonna have nothing that's gonna be that long that the car will hit the truck when you're jackknifing it like this. They're just awesome. And like, there's not all the excess overhang in the back. There's long ramps. So you drop the, once those are in and you're towing this thing with nothing on it or a smaller car, it's nice and short in the back. And then this fender obviously flips down. Simple tie down straps that nestle the front tires and lock them in. Safety chains to go front and rear. They're the cat's pajamas. I really dig them. And the other thing is the jack setup, there's no wheels on it. So a lot of the times what I do to make things easier when I'm going to load things up to get the trailer to tip, I'll actually crank the jack up and take some weight off the truck and actually jack it up some, and that pins it so you're not jerking the parking pin on the truck also while you're wrestling something on and off or whatever. And it's just all around, it's just a very handy trailer, and I love the things. So once the house is done and I have more organized space and stuff like that, I'm gonna see if I can buy a used one. I don't know if they sell them anymore though, but if not, I'll probably continue renting one. Now, it's time to wash all the mud and salt off the truck and off the trailer before I return the trailer. Out of the process. Make sure you get up inside the wheel well. Your truck will thank you in the end. And always do the right thing and clean off the trailer in the end. The next guy shouldn't have to be dealing with mud and everything else on there. And also, sometimes you can get charged if you bring it back dirty. But one of the things with these trailers, that if you are renting it off, do everybody a favor, including yourself in the future, if you have to use it, the ratchet strap, blast them out. Yeah, and like all the dirt and grime and stuff, rinse it off. But this is a huge part, blasting out the ratchets. The ratchets are always very insane because they're in the front of the trailer, so the whole time you're driving. Just hit them real quick with the hose and blast out a little bit of filth out of the straps too. So next time somebody's picking up a clean car, they don't get filthy from the straps that got on your greasy, nasty, muddy tires before. It's all about doing the right thing. And also, drop the ramps down and wash those too. Because those are usually the first part to catch all the mud when you're pulling them up on. So when you're rinsing it all off, rinse the top deck first so anything falls through, and then rinse off the ramp. Then the next person, they get a nice clean trailer. And same thing, rinse down the straps on the ends of these things too. Not only will you not get charged the cleaning fee, but the place will be happy, and the next person to rent it will be happy. And last but not least, clean up the bay you used also, because You don't realize how much dirt goes flying around. Like there's two cross members in the Chevys that rot out, so I always flush them out. If you look, it's all blasted. Once you rinse out the other side, it blasted all out on the wall. So give the bay a clean also when you're done. The owner will appreciate that. There you go. All the floors rinsed down in the car wash so they won't kick you out next time if you make a mess. Truck's clean, trailer's clean. Now let's go return it. But yeah, doesn't take much to blast the floor around. There's a big drain in the middle. You just kind of rinse up your mess. After all, it is your mess. Clean it up.